5th of May, 2023. Beiersdorf starts the production of its cosmetics plant in Leipzig. The German industrial giant has launched production at its new Leipzig-Seehausen cosmetics factory. The DAX-listed company headquartered in Hamburg has invested nearly €300 million in this new state-of-the-art production center located in the heart of Europe. Together with the logistics hub being erected on a neighbouring property, the plant represents Beiersdorf's largest global investment in a single location. The first products manufacturing on the lines of the new production unit.